Big Kirk 916, positivity, motivation. Saturday morning, about to go check out this car show over here in Mesa, man. Never been to this one, but they got a warehouse full of cars, so let's take a stroll through and see what we can find. This is Street Side Classics. They got a warehouse full of dope cars in here. Street Side Classics. They got some cool cars up in here, you guys. Never knew about this place before. Out here in Mesa. This is one of my favorites too. I'm gonna eventually get one of these in the collection to cruise around in. I'd have to get a little bit more custom though for comfortability. 427, this thing's a beast. Check this out. This is an aluminum roaster. Man, you know this thing would be hot as hell out here in Arizona. It's pretty cool though. I've never seen that like this. Interior is all about the business with that B&M shifter. Little Mickey Thompsons. Got a 390 AMX. Yeah, these are all on consignment. Yeah, they got quite a bit of a selection in here for classics. Camaros, Chevelles, Firebirds. Everything in here is for sale. Always like these split bumpers right here. This one's clean. Take a closer look. Got the 8 shifter in it, RS. It's a nice classic right here. 44.9, 73. Take a look at this right here. This is a Dodge Dart. And it's looks like a 4-speed. Don't see too many of these on the road. Never settle for average has always been my motto in life. So I've been fortunate enough to get together with the brand NSFA and become a brand ambassador, because there's no room for mediocrity in life. So whether you're out here and you're an athlete, you're in entertainment, you're a business person, represent and pick you up a hat. And for those of you who are law enforcement, military, veterans, first responders, use code USA15 and get 15% off. Click the link in the description and never settle for average. Got a 496 Challenger. Look at this bad boy. This is back in the day hot rodding. 74 Challenger. Some more Camaros for you guys. An IROC Z28. Another Z28. I've got some time capsules up in here. Now tell me if you guys have ever heard of this car. A Dart Pioneer. This is it says 1960. Never seen one of these. Never even heard of a Dart Pioneer. Look at this thing. I mean, this top is, oh my God, it's hideous. And look at this interior. Woo. Man, this is the 60s though, you guys. Got another Chevelle 396 SS, and they want 52 $995 for a 69. Come here and pick you up a Chevelle. These are making a comeback, and it's a drop. Check it out. Future collectible with a 5-speed. This is right up your alley. We got a 396 RS, a 69. Check this bad boy out. They want $69.95 for this. Got the houndstooth interior. Pretty clean whip, man. You're looking for a Camaro. 79 Camaro for $27,995. These are creeping up too. This one's pretty clean. Let's take a look at the interior real quick. Yeah, interior's clean. You know, it's a nice little start right here. Now, Nomad is up and coming. These are actually not up and coming. These are collectibles. This is a 57 Nomad, and it actually has an LT1 setup in it already. It's got that teal paint. Look like the body's all there. Let's take a look at the interior. Got the column shift, aftermarket gauges. They're Axon 82,995 for the 57 Nomad. Got a rat rod, a Cummins in it. That thing right there, man. I know that's a rough ride. Check that out. I mean, look how you're sitting in here. Crazy, man. And it's a right-hand driver. Wow. So they got a 69 Cougar over here. They want $29.95. Looks like a pretty clean example. Interior's all there. Doesn't look like it is a XR7, but it's clean though. Not sure what they're asking for this, but it's a pretty clean example. Everything's all there. They got a bunch of trucks in here too. As you can see, trucks for days. A lot of old schools. How you doing, man? Good. A lot of trucks, a lot of cars in here. So they want $43 for this Mustang Coupe 66. Looks like it has some modifications to it. Like it's somewhat custom. Looks like it has disc brakes in the front. Let's take a look at the inside. It's got a little roll bar up in here. Aftermarket seats. Little Grant steering wheel. Original gauges. So it's actually got a 347 stroker, 3-speed automatic, leaf springs for a 9-inch with fuel injection. $43,995. And then we have another one right next to it. This is also a 66. Looks like it had disc brake conversion in the front. Let's see what it has done to it. 302 3-speed automatic, leaf springs. Oh, it's got the old school interior with the cloth inserts. So they got quite a few Mustang coupes up in here, man. And nice condition. And then we come over here, we got the bad boy right here. Woof. Look at this. They want $54,995 for this 70 Mustang. Look at it, it's got a carbon fiber hood or wrapped hood, but it's got drum brakes in the back. Huh. Kind of Makes me wonder what all's been done to it. It's got disc brakes up front. Let's take a look and see what the spec says. It's 17-inch coilover suspension, 4-speed, 351 V8. Looks like the interior has been somewhat custom, and it's got a 4-speed. Got an old Chevy hot rod next to a classic 380 SL Mercedes. Looks like they have quite a few Mercedes classics in here. 450 SEL, 560 SL. Got a clean 500 SL. Yeah, very nice. Very nice condition, man. I've had one of these, and this one's in great condition. So this one, they want $11,995. This is a pretty bad little rat rod here. The motor on this thing. It's got a mean blower on it. This thing's probably loud. It's straight going headers to exhaust. They even got a few Porsches in here. You got a Panamera. Looks like a 968 and 911 Targa. They got a nice selection in this warehouse. Look at the Mickey Thompsons on this bad boy. Oh yeah. Weld racing wheels. Sitting up high, ass in the air. Digital gauges. Yeah, this is some major horsepower right here. You got a Chevelle over here with a Vortec up in it. Kind of reminds me of mine. Got the AC. Look like it's got some modifications to it. The body looks pretty straight for a black paint. It's got drum brakes in the rear. So it looks like it's a 70 by looking at the... This is where they take the pictures of the cars at. We got the Mustang getting ready for its photo op. A lot of cars in here, man. Had a decent selection of classics. So that's street size classic car show. Well, actually car show / warehouse. And it's humid as hell up in here. I'm sweating like I'm out in the jungles of the Sahara, but or the Sahara Desert and the Amazon jungle. But yeah, I'm gonna get up out of here. Leave a comment, share the channel, let me know what you think, if you had a favorite on here. And yeah, Big Hurt 916.
Stop walking around with a crusty butt, smelly ball sack, and a funky hoo-ha. Big Hurt said, wash that ass. Pick you up a t-shirt at freshoutseries.com.
Lockdown's over. Get your yard time in. Exclusively at freshoutseries.com.
Hello, I'm Big Hurt 916. Contact me for life coaching and motivational speaking.